Welcome back to Ace with Ease. Today we're going to be looking at the Cartesian plane, okay, which is what we referred to in the previous video when we were talking about the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So I want to make sure that we're all on the same page and we don't struggle as we go along, okay? So when we're talking about a Cartesian plane, it's basically a combination of a horizontal straight line and a vertical straight line, okay? So this is a horizontal straight line. It represents the x-axis, okay, and then the vertical represents the y-axis, okay. And where they meet, which is where I made a dot there, put a dot, it's the origin. It's a place called the origin, okay. It's a point called the origin, okay. And at the origin, the value of x and the value of y is 0, okay. So your x changes, okay, when you move along this line, okay. So when you move to the left or to the right, starting from this point, your x will change, okay. But then if you just move along this line, this x-axis, the y will not change, okay. So this whole line, any point on this horizontal line, okay, at any point on this horizontal line, y will be 0. That's why we call the x-axis the line y equals to 0, because on the x-axis at any point, okay, y will be 0. So the equation of the x-axis is y equals to 0, which is what we have there, okay. So the equation of this line is y equals to 0. Similarly, when you look at the y-axis, okay, so the value of y will change only when we go up or down, okay. So which means that if we move from this point to 1, from the origin to 1, then it means that we've only we've only changed our y values, but the x value hasn't changed, okay. So, and even if we move from the origin to 4, the x value wouldn't have moved, okay, or wouldn't have changed. So this means that the x value would be the same at any point on this line, on the y-axis. Therefore, the equation of the y-axis is x equals to 0, okay. So again, the equation of the x-axis is y equals to 0, because any point on the x-axis, okay, the y value at any point on the x-axis, the y value would be 0. Again, on the y-axis, at any point on the y-axis, the x value would be 0. Therefore, the equation of the y-axis is x equals to 0, okay. So yeah guys, I hope that that helps. Let's meet in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.